What if the passport you spent years on chasing could now disappear? Sounds impossible, right? Well, that is exactly the conversation happening in the United States right now. The US Department of Justice has launched what it calls the biggest coordinated citizenship crackdown in the recent history. And one Indian origin man is now part of that list. His name is Narinder Singh. According to the US authorities, Singh allegedly entered America in 1996 using a false identity and later became a US citizen in 2008. The Justice Department now claims that he had multiple false statements that should now have prevented him from getting a US citizenship in the first place. But wait, the story is much bigger than just one person. The Justice Department has started the legal action against 25 naturalized US citizens from 17 different countries. The allegations range from the identity fraud and passport fraud to marriage fraud, attempted murders, domestic violence, child abuse, bank frauds, and other serious criminal offenses. However, here is an important part. These are the allegations filed in the court. None of these cases are final, and the court will now decide whether the accusations are proven or whether the citizenship can be actually revoked. And that's where the things get serious. For many immigrants, the US citizenship feels like a finish line. Once you get that blue passport, you expect to stay there forever. But the US law says that the citizenship can be taken away if it was obtained through any kind of fraud or by hiding the important facts during the immigration process. And that's exactly what the government is trying to prove. The Trump administration has made immigration enforcement one of the biggest priorities. Since January 2025, officials say that they have already filed more than 120 denaturalization cases. So, is this just the beginning? Well, maybe. Supporters say that it protects the value of the US citizenship, while critics worry about how these powers could now be used in the future. But one thing is clear for now. This isn't just about one passport. It is about trust, identity, and the future of immigration in America. Well, 25 people have been recognized from 17 countries. Well, this is just the beginning, not the end. Under the Trump-era administration, people have been marked just for their denaturalization process because there was fraud involved, scam involved, and a lot of hiding that actually hid their real identities, the cases against them, the crises against them, and also involving the crimes that they were indulged in. And now, the US immigration and nowadays are finding out these people who hid their details from the US government just to get a naturalized citizenship. Well, the US attorney has already marked a statement that US passport is not a right. Well, it is a duty that only the US government can abide to. What is your thought on this? Make sure to comment down below.